Welcome to How To Video Friday. Today we're going to talk about how to be more spontaneous. Hello and welcome to the Free and Spontaneous Talk Show. My name is Ann and today my guest is Ann. Tell us, Ann, what is the most spontaneous thing that you have ever done? It's nice to meet you, Ann. Thank you for having me on your show. Most spontaneous. I jumped out of a plane. Spontaneous as in spontaneous in the moment. Okay. I ran into a bear on the trail and got away. No. How is that not what you're supposed to do? Okay, well, we could be here all day. So can you define what you mean by spontaneous? All right, so being spontaneous means doing things other than what you already have planned or scheduled, or that's part of your routine or your regular habits. All right, I get it now. So when I was on Cape Cocker, I was walking down, that's in Belize, one of the islands. I was walking down the main street, dirt road, and some folks were gathering up in front of the store, and I stopped and I'm like, hey, what are you guys up to? And they said, we are waiting to go take a yoga class. And I'm like, I'd like to do that too. So I walked in, I signed up, and ended up being this great yoga class on the roof of one of the hotels overlooking the water. The sun was setting. Just a really great class, really great experience, really happy. I stopped, I asked, and I joined. All right. Well, that sounds like that was a great experience. Thank you for sharing with us and being on the show. Okay, a little bit more clarification. Being spontaneous is about breaking your routines, your patterns, and your habit. It's stepping out of your comfort zones with actions that are new, but in keeping with who you are and what you believe in. It does not mean throwing all caution to the winds and going native. Although, seriously, this gal would not stop you. But that's actually being impulsive, not spontaneous. So, I have gotten a little too impulsive. Nothing wrong with that. But that's not what we're talking about here. Okay, and in all honesty, while the other Anne gave Anne a tough time, spontaneous moments, spontaneous things can be planned because you can plan to get out of your same old. Please plan that. Okay, so before we get more into the how to get more spontaneous, we have to get to your why. You know, I am all about the why. Why is Anne always asking me my why? It's because your why is what will motivate you. It's what's going to inspire you. And it's what is going to help you stick with whatever it is you're trying to do and change. So always start with your why. Why, and why? Okay, so I'm about to get very scientific with you. No, not gonna do that. Kiss, keep it simple, stupid. Here's your reason why. It helps you to chill the fuck out, to be more spontaneous. It allows you to live in the moment. It allows you to go with the flow. It allows you to roll with the punches. That's all I have on that list. Okay, so let me break this down a little further for you. Close your eyes. Okay, if you're driving, don't close your eyes. If you're doing anything where you should not close your eyes, do not close your eyes. And do not sue me for saying close your eyes. Don't close your eyes if you can't close your eyes. If you can't close your eyes, now close your eyes. I did not post any naked pictures. Okay. With your eyes closed, imagine a life where you never get upset when plans get changed. You live in the moment and you're never worried about the future or sad, disappointed about the past. You rapidly adapt to new environment, circumstances, and situations. you turn every curveball into a home run. Well, at least for you. Can you imagine it? Okay, open your eyes now. Did you feel it? A life that is free or has much less stress, anxiety, and worry. You having the ability to turn anything into an opportunity. If that is not what you want in your life, get the hell off my channel because I've got nothing for you. Now, if that is something that you are interested in, we're going to get into how. But I'm willing to bet it probably has something to do with adding new experiences and first times into your life. I mean, why are you on this channel? By the way, if you are on this channel, you are enjoying this video, you like the other videos, check out the other videos, make sure that you subscribe. Thank you. Okay, let's get into how to get more spontaneous. You cannot get more spontaneous by continuing to do the things that you've always done. I think we've identified that. So your how starts with you will have to do things that you've never done before. Very easy to do. There are a lot of videos in this channel about that. So please watch those videos because the first thing you have to do is get your 365 First Challenge list started. I want you to add a good 30 to 50 items on that list. And I want that list to include spontaneous, opportunistic type of firsts. So you're still going to plan them, but they need to be something that's easy. So think about on your way to work, changing your route and finding a restaurant you've never been to, a fitness class you've never been to. I guarantee you in your neighborhood around 25-mile radius around where you live, there are things there that you have never tried, never experienced. Certainly there are people that you have never met. Then there's also the very easy reading a genre of book that you've never read or listening to music that you've never listened to before. So it's not that hard to start injecting new things into your life. Go online, take a class that you've never taken before. Okay? So make a list of 30 to 50 easy things like that. Sprinkle in maybe something that's a little bigger, that's going to require a little bit more planning for you to do. So step one is to get your list started. Step two, you're going to have to make time for said list, right? So as you're making your list, hopefully you got excited about the things that you're going to want to do on that list. But the first thing I'm probably going to hear back from you is that you don't have the time to do anything new. You don't have the time to go try these things out. All right? Bullshit flag, throwing it down on that one, because here's step two. You're going to start looking into your time management. What do you do with your time? If you spend anywhere more than an hour a week watching TV, you've got plenty of time. Get rid of all that freaking TV time and start working on you. Start on challenging yourself and improving who you are. You don't need all that TV time. Social media. How much time are you on social media? You know what? There are apps that can track how much time you're spending on social media. Install one of those apps and then face reality that you're wasting a buttload of time doing nothing that benefits you. This is about you putting you first, improving, changing, and growing who you are through this challenge, because we've identified just the why of being more spontaneous, and that's a pretty freaking powerful why. Well, there's a lot more benefits to this challenge, but I am preaching. I love talking about this challenge, so I preach. Let me stop preaching. Where were we? Time management. Make time for your list. Now that you've made time, start focusing on your list. Check it out. Where your focus go, your energy, your money, and that time that you've recouped out of the other shit that you're doing will go towards. What you focus on is where you apply yourself. So start focusing on your first. Make that as high as a priority as it can be. Family, job, responsibilities, got it? Check, check, check. You got to take care of those. Next, your growth, new experiences, your list of firsts. Another thing you're going to need is to get more open-minded. I will be making, the next video will be how to be more open-minded. That video might exist. If it exists right now, it's popping up telling you how to watch that video. If that's not popping up, that is because you are freaking awesome in your role and you've been following me from day one. If it is now popping up, it is because you're smart and you have joined the challenge and this channel. If you haven't subscribed, I still don't know where the hell the subscribe button is, but subscribe to the channel. Okay, being more open-minded. Watch the video on how to be more open-minded. I realize, like it's one of those building process, so things are kind of building upon themselves. But as you're doing your first, these other things are going to start happening to you. Okay, step 5. Find your people. My people, your people. My people are your people. I am one of your peeps. Find people that are also engaged in the challenge. Find other participants online. People that are using the hashtag 365first. I really should stop singing because I have a horrible voice. But I'm here, man. I'm here to help you. So connect with me and let's see what's going on with your list, what you're having problems with. As you see in my videos, I'm dragging people along with me. And they're not screaming and yelling. They're all pretty happy. So I start with my family, engaging my family in doing first times with me, first times for them. And it's a blast. It's a lot of fun because you're making memories together. You're creating something entirely new with someone. So it improves the bond. So get rid of the naysayers. They got to go. And then connect with your people. My people, your people, we're the same people. We are doing some cool shit. Let's connect. Okay, so that wraps up this video. I am still in need of a sign off. So are we going with goodbye? Make sure to add new experiences. Okay, that was not smooth. Goodbye. Make sure to add new experiences. Or goodbye. Have a great week and don't forget to have some new experiences. Is that a fake smile? I don't know. Do we like the smile? Do some laughing. What are we doing, people? Comment. How should I sign up? Not sign up. Sign off. God, do you know how exhausting it is to make videos? I'm just being honest here. All right. Have a great week. Get out there and have some first times. That's another option. I gotta quit this. All right, I'm out.